In today's lesson we are going to study about even and odd functions. If a function f satisfies f of negative x equals f of x for every x in its domain, then f is called an even function. For instance, the function f of x equals x squared is even because f of negative x or negative x squared equals positive x squared equals f of x, which was the original function. Therefore, we have f of negative x equals f of positive x. That's why the function is called even. The geometric significance of an even function is that its graph is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. Take a look at the graph here. This means that if we have plotted the graph for O positive x, then we can obtain the entire graph by simply reflecting this portion in the y-axis. If f satisfies f of negative x equals negative f of x for every x in its domain, then f is called an odd function. For example, the function f of x equals x to the third is odd because f of negative x equals negative x in parentheses to the third equals negative x to the third equals negative f of x. The graph of an odd function is symmetric about the origin. If we have plotted the graph of a function for all positive x, then we can obtain the entire graph by rotating this portion through 180 degrees about the origin. This is equivalent to reflecting first in the x-axis and then in the y-axis.
Think you understand?